Okay, so now I'm going to demonstrate trunk rotations as well as a more advanced type of trunk rotation. So lay on your back. Here. Okay, shoulders are on the floor, knees are bent, feet are planted, hands are on the tummy, and you rotate the trunk. Let the knees touch. Try to keep the shoulder on the floor. Don't let the shoulder come off the floor like this. Keep it on. If the knees can touch the floor, that is fine. If they cannot, that is fine. You will be able to work up to that level. Come back to the neutral position. Opposite way, head and shoulder. Still on the floor. Come back up. Again. Head and shoulder on the floor. Come back up. Remember, this is a control movement. There's no quick swinging just to get the amount of repetitions done quickly. This is not beneficial to you. Okay? So after you finish that, for the amount of repetitions, your therapist may have given you a more advanced level. If not, you stick with the simple one. But the more advanced level, you lift the feet off the floor, touch, feet off the floor, touch. Again, head and shoulder on the floor, feet off the floor. It's a bit more difficult, but you really should work up to this level as you get stronger and stronger. Remember, exercise is about gradual progression, not staying at one level. Okay? And do for the amount of sets and repetitions as directed by your therapist.